Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how to create a custom transition using the proDAD plugin. I will use this short clip for the demonstration. I'm going to use a proDAD transition between two videos, clips. So open the transition room, find the proDAD plugin and drag the Adorage transition onto the timeline. Right click on this transition and choose Modify Transition Settings. We can use overlap or cross types of transition effect. I will use the cross one. Click on this button here. If you are not familiar with this window, I will show you the basics, the basic usage of this dialog. So when right clicking, you can create a new effect or new group. So now we create a new group and write this my transition group. It is located inside the standard, but it is possible to drag and place it outside from the standard library. So we have a new group for our new transitions. If you want to delete this group, it is enough to click on this icon here to delete this transition group. The second thing, if you want to change the name of this group, then you click on this icon, properties, and it is possible to change the name or add some comment for this group. Another way to change our group name is to right clicking on this item and select properties. The same dialog opens. The next step is to create our new transition. So right click on this item and select new effect. It is not matter that this is an effect because the engine under it is the same. So right now that this is a quick transition. Okay, each transition has the same pipeline, so there are two video tracks channels here, video A and video B. This is our first clip, this is our second clip. There is a mixer which mixes together these video streams. There is a smoke pipeline element which adds some smoke effects into our video stream, and in the end we can add some overlay effect. If you want to change a video stream which is streamed into the mixer, it is possible to click on this image. Now in this dialog we are able to change some properties for video A video stream or video B video stream, or the mixer or smoke or overlay as what's displayed here. So if we want to change our overlay, we click here on overlay and the overlay tab is displayed. But we now going back to video A and set some properties for this channel. First thing is this window here. It is displaying always the actual transition effect. This source section is able to select a video stream source. Now is set to video source A, but it's possible to set as a source video clip B, or open a file and from the disk and use this as a video stream input. I set back to the video source A. Another possibility is to set properties for the input video stream like borders. I move this dialog a little bit down so it is possible to see what's happening when I change something. This is a border left right, so I can able to set the borders on this video stream on the left right side or top on our bottom side. Second thing is a mirror. Mirror means that the video is mirrored or not. Not means that it's not mirrored. There is a horizontal mirror, then the video is flipped horizontally in this way, or vertically, or diagonally. So I leave it as not mirrored. And the third part, the tiles, mean that we can use the video source as tiles. So it is possible to set the number of video streams horizontally and vertically. Here there are 3 tabs: starting position, ending position, and starting and ending. That means that the starting position is the start frame of our transition, and ending position is end position of our transition for video source A. That these same properties are available for video source B. So back to the video A source, and now we will create a simple effect using these settings. So the start position is okay because this is a base frame and for video source A, and set the ending position for this video source. I right click here on this window here and set a view to 30% and move this box outside of our rendering screen. It is possible to move with these position sliders horizontally like this, or can be moved vertically or using the mouse freely. So move outside of this box. The yellow rectangle here, this corner point means this is a left top corner of our video. This is important only when we using a rotation, because when we use a rotation like this, that will mean that our left top corner are here, so it's not in left top. But set it back to the 0%. Oops. So now set the video stream B. The video stream A, it is designed to that our screen go outside to the right. So our video stream end position is fixed, and the start position I set view to 30% and move this box. Oops, this is a size. It is possible to change the box size using this slider in constant value. I will not change now. This is 100%, but move it horizontal slider, so the start position will be here. So now hit update, hit out, hit OK, and in the left top corner it is rendering how our new transitions looks like. So let's start it. Okay, we are very happy with this. The main problem is when I open the UI interface again for Adorage, it looks like that this transition is set, but when I open the transition, you see that the transition is not rendered no more. Only this one is moving. So end position is okay, but interesting that it is changed to the left side and I moved to the right, and the video position is lost. The main issue with this Adorage version that this is not saving the video A and video B source settings into correctly, so I am not recommend to use these 2 tab settings because these are not stored. The mixer, smoke and overlay effects are stored correctly, but these 2 are not. So now open another transition, for example from volume 10, Wedding and Love. These are motif transitions like comic. You can see if you open the properties window, there's an effect. even it is a transition, so it is not a problem. And if you open any transition from here, each video A and B properties has a default value. We can check all these settings. These are always in default values. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more, and see you in the next time. Bye.